Hi, this is Matthew again. Today is 20th of June 2019. This is a new strategy. Kindly know that the last two strategies are still much profitable. I mean, the strategies we posted on the new channel, that is the digits under and the higher strategies. So this is just an additional strategy right here. So in this strategy, we are going to be experiencing some losses, but at the end of the day, we'll do the math and we'll see what we've make after 10 trades, because we're going to be placing 10 trades in this strategy. So here we're going to be trading the Asian up. We're going to be trading the volatility 100 in this Asian up. So I've opened the trading interface. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button and also share the videos among other traders. So here this is what we are starting with right here. 10,073 .11. That's 13,073.11. So we are going to be trading the Asian up. So for the Asian up, we're going to be, these are the rules again. This is a link to sign up for the broker account. All this will be posted in the video description on YouTube. So just click on the link to sign up and run on demo before you go live. So here we're going to change this to Asians, then we'll change this to Asian up, then we'll change this to 8 ticks. So what we are going to be working with in this strategy is these last two numbers. So the last two number, once the last number is between 90 to 99, we click on purchase. It has to be between 90 to 99 before you click on purchase. So we change this to 8 ticks, remember. So these are all the rules here again. It has to be between 90 to 99, then you click on purchase. And remember, we're going to be placing 10 trades. 10 trades in this strategy. So we're going to do our trade number 1 right now. So you have to watch the last two numbers. $92, we click on purchase. Like I said earlier, we're going to be experiencing some loss in this strategy, but at the end of the day, we'll do the maths and see what we've made after the whole trading session. So we want the first trade. Sorry, I'm supposed to increase the payout. So I've changed the payout to 100. So I'm staking 100. So we have to start the trade again. Trade number 1. So I have to wait. So the last two numbers has to be between 90 to 99. 91, we click on purchase. So we want that trade. That's the second trade. So let me just quickly do the maths. So actually we staked 51.49. Okay, it's still the same thing. We start with 13.073. So that's the first trade. So we're going to place the second trade right now. So we have to watch this again. 88. Remember, the last two numbers has to be between 90 and 99. I mean the numbers there, right here, so we're working with. So 82, 81, 33, 08. 88, 97, we click on purchase. So that's the second trade. So we lost the second trade. We're going to place the third trade. Stop trade. So we have to watch the numbers again. $90. So we want the third trade, so I'm going to place the fourth trade. Remember, this is what we started with, so we'll do the maths after the trading section. So this is the fourth trade. $95. So we want the fourth trade as well, so we're going to place the fifth trade. Remember, we are trading 10 times. Like I stated earlier, we will experience some loss. That's 96, but we'll do the maths after the trading section to see what we've made. So that's the fifth trade. We want the fifth trade as well, so I'm going to take the sixth trade. 99. Let me give it some time to change again. $96. So we want the sixth trade, so we're going to place the seventh trade. So we have to watch the numbers again. Make sure it's between 90 to 99. That is the last two numbers right here. The last two numbers, 81, 20, 67. Make sure you have a fast internet connection. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more strategies. 59. $42, 27, 57, 93. So that's our seventh trade. We have to wait for the outcome. So we lost the seventh trade. I think we lost like 2 trades. So this is the 8th trade. We have 2 more to go after this. 68. if you do the maths there, you see that we are in profit already. 77. You can reduce your payout to reduce the loss. You can stake lower amounts. You can stake 10 USD, 15 USD, depends on what you have in your account balance. So that's the 8th trade. So let's wait for the outcome of the 8th trade. Let's wait. So you can see we won the 8th trade already. We won the 8th trade. So we lost just 2 trades. So we're going to place the 9th trade. After this, we place one more trade. We will now do the maths to see what we make. $80. $92. As you can see, we won the 9th trade, so we have one more trade to go. We only lost 2 trades. That's the final trade for this section, so we have to watch again. Remember, the last 2 numbers has to be between 90 to 99. We are trading the Asian ops. The ticks have to be 8. You set your payout. So just 19.95. That's the last trade. So after this, I'll come back again after 4 hours and repeat the same step. So let's wait for the result of the last trade. So we lost the last trade. That means we lost 3 trades. So let's do the maths. This is what we started with, 13,078.86, 13,078.86. So this is what we have now, 13,263.06 minus 13,078.86. So we make $184 in about 12 minutes or so. So you can see it's 80% guaranteed. So make sure you share among other traders. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.